Alright, this is my paper prototype for part 2 of our final project. As you can see, the supplies that I've used have been very rudimentary. Got some Crayola markers, a ballpoint pen from my job, a ruler, some scissors, and the sketchbook that everything's laid out on. Alright. Also, I apologize for my voice. I am getting over a cold, and the pollen is not helping. So, we're proposing changes to make the MGA bookstore search a little more intuitive and easier to use. And we've decided that integrating something on the homepage would be the best way to help people unfamiliar with the site navigate. So I've mocked up a very, very simple rendition of what it looks like now. And so here we go. Change the search bar to be something more like that. And then when one clicks into or selects that search bar, instead of just being able to type, we'll have this little option pop up. Now, you can say or type search, so you don't have to do it. But if you click the gray drop down, you get your terms. And so, just following along with the exercise we had our subjects doing, we're going to select spring 2025. And then, sorry. Once that's done, and you've made that selection, that will then populate into the, I guess you would say, typable search field. It's basically either combining the drop-down menu-based search with the text search, or at least giving the illusion of such. So, okay, moving on. We're going to select department next, accounting, selection 2. And now that, sorry, I didn't want to redraw everything 10,000 times, so I kind of just made cutouts. Okay, so now that we have selected both the term and the department, which is accounting, the drop-down menu changes to follow along, so it's not taking up all the space of your search term. So it drops down, select course, and we're going to select 2101. You can see that accounting has added itself to our search string. Sorry, that was a GoPro. I was going to try to use a GoPro, and then I realized I don't know how to use a GoPro. So, how is it turning itself off? Okay. So now that we've entered our term, department, and class number, we're going to be prompted to select the section, which in the prompt we gave our subjects was section 1. And again, everything else has populated into the search string based on those drop-down selections. I really should have laid out my stuff better. Sorry, guys. So after all that is entered, you should be taken to a whole new page that outlines the book needed for the class that we picked, its information, and an option to add it to a shopping cart. Okay, it's pretty simple, trying to be unobtrusive and not completely rewrite the bookstore site, but kind of help people navigate. So, hope you enjoyed.